Blatant examples of whitewashing featuring Hannibal Barca, Part 2. Hannibal Barca was a Carthaginian general of Phoenician descent who was renowned for going to the war against the Romans in what is known as the Punic War. He is reputed to be one of the greatest military generals of all time. In Part 1, it was proven that Hannibal had his coins reproduced to strip him of his black appearance, thereby making him fit more of a modern North African archetype. Now, this late 17th century tapestry, which was in the royal collection of King Louis XIV of France, illustrated the Battle of Zama, where Scipio Africanus and his Roman troops fought against Hannibal and his Carthaginian troops. The artist of the time understood Hannibal's racial makeup, so they depicted him as such, a dark-skinned black man. They then completely altered his image to make him fit the mainstream accepted archetype.